What if I told you that the ultimate escape, the peak of relaxation, could be just a few steps away, right inside your own home? That's right. Having a luxurious spa experience is no longer just for the rich and famous. With a few smart upgrades, you can create a personal sanctuary that melts your stress away. First off, what exactly is a home spa? Imagine a space dedicated entirely to your well-being. A place with a soothing steam room, a warm, bubbling hot tub, or a state-of-the-art shower, all designed to rejuvenate your mind and body. The best part? No travel, no appointments, and no sharing your peace with strangers. It's your private retreat, ready whenever you need it. Ready to build your own? Let's dive into 4 key things you need to consider. First, let's talk about the heart of any spa, the bathroom. A long, hot soak is non-negotiable. So, upgrading to a beautiful bathtub is your #1 mission. Picture yourself sinking into warm water, maybe with a good book. Elevate the experience with some Epsom salts, rich in magnesium, to soothe sore muscles after a workout. Don't forget fragrant bubble baths and rich bath oils to leave your skin feeling silky smooth. No tub? No problem. A few drops of essential oil on your shower floor will turn the steam into an aromatic spa-like cloud. Next, let's set the stage by renovating your floors and walls. Think clean, calm, and serene. Choose tiles and wallpapers that are easy to maintain and contribute to a peaceful atmosphere. When it comes to colors, think soft and soothing. Hues like soft gray, creamy white, light blue, or even a gentle pistachio can transform your space into a visual haven of tranquility. The goal is to create a backdrop that instantly puts your mind at ease the moment you walk in. Our third point is all about ambiance. A true spa experience is clutter-free, so keep your space tidy and minimalist. To deepen your relaxation, you could use a meditation app to guide your thoughts toward calm. Or go tech-free and try a simple breathing exercise. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4, and exhale for 4. This simple technique, called box breathing, is incredibly effective at focusing your mind and letting go of stress. A calm space plus a calm mind equals pure bliss. Finally, the quickest way to create a spa atmosphere? Scent. Think about the moment you walk into a professional spa. That signature scent instantly signals your brain to relax. You can easily recreate this with scented candles. It's an inexpensive yet powerful tool. Feeling a bit emotional? Try the grounding scents of cedarwood or sandalwood. Need a better night's sleep? Lavender is your best friend. Want to feel utterly pampered? You can never go wrong with the classic, luxurious scent of rose. Creating a spa at home is more than just a renovation. It's an investment in your well-being and a wonderful way to increase your home's value. It's a personal sanctuary for you, your family, and friends. So, what does your dream home spa look like? Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more home and wellness ideas.